In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with advertising on Amazon. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of setting up your first Amazon advertising campaign, providing you with the essential tools to reach a wider audience effectively. Whether you're an established seller or new to this space, these instructions will help you understand the essentials of promoting your products on one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms. First, you'll want to open your web browser. For this tutorial, we recommend using Google Chrome for its compatibility and user-friendly experience. With Chrome ready, navigate to Amazon's advertising website by typing in the URL https://advertising.amazon.com. Once the page loads, you'll see several options and offers from Amazon advertising, but direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll find the Sign Up button. Click on it to begin the registration process. Next, let's select your account type depending on how you'll engage with Amazon's ecosystem. Are you a seller who lists products directly on Amazon's website? If so, you will choose Seller Central. If you supply products that Amazon sells to customers, then Vendor Central is the right choice for you. Or if you're an author publishing through Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, or you manage advertising for various clients, you'll want to select KDP Authors Agencies. For most beginners and those of you selling directly through Amazon, the Seller Central option will be your gateway into advertising. Once you've chosen the appropriate category, you'll need to sign in. Use the credentials associated with your existing Amazon seller account. Don't have a seller account yet? No worries. Simply head over to https://sellercentral.amazon.com to sign up as a seller first, ensuring you're primed and ready to utilize Amazon's vast sales tools. Now that you're logged in, it's time to set up your ad console. Navigate to the Campaign Manager section within the console. Here, you will input your business details, including setting up a billing method and providing necessary payment information. Ensure everything is accurate to avoid interruptions once you're running your campaigns. The final step is to create your very first advertising campaign. Start by selecting your preferred ad type. For those new to this, sponsored products is recommended as it's straightforward and highly effective for beginners. Sponsored products target Amazon's point of sale directly. If you're focusing on increasing brand visibility, opt for sponsored brands. This approach highlights your brand and logo. For those interested in targeting potential customers who may have seen your products elsewhere, sponsored display is ideal for retargeting. After choosing the ad type that aligns with your objectives, select the product or products you want to promote. Set a sensible daily budget to control your expenditures. Decide whether you want to use automatic targeting, where Amazon selects keywords for you, or manual targeting for more specific audience engagement. Finally, with all elements in place, launch your ad campaign and let Amazon help you capture the audience you deserve. Good luck, and may your products reach new heights.